Storm Claudia once again tests the resilience of Andalusia, Spain. From early morning, the sky turned dark as strong winds pushed thick clouds across the region, soon unleashing relentless heavy rain. AEMET, Spain's meteorological agency, issued yellow alerts for Seville, Cádiz, Huelva, and Málaga, warning of high-intensity rainfall that could fall within a short period of time. In Seville, initial rainfall exceeded 20 liters per square meter. Major roads began to flood, while rural areas, such as Morón de la Frontera, recorded some of the heaviest rain. The risk of surface flooding increased, prompting authorities to close low-lying routes and monitor small rivers whose water levels began to rise.
Esto es agua, chico, no es tontería. Empezaba a caer la del tigre de un segundo al otro, un viento ahí, los barcos meneándose. Está cayendo muchísimo y muy fuerte.
Cádiz and the Campo del Gibraltar region were also hit hard. Strong winds disrupted daily activities, and several vehicles were blocked by fallen trees that covered parts of the roads. AEMET extended its warnings through the weekend, stressing the danger of sudden local flooding.
No, esto es aquí las cabezas de agua, ¿eh?
In Málaga, warnings focused on the Axarquía district and the Guadalhorce Valley. Heavy rain was expected to fall sporadically, enough to trigger rapid pooling of water in vulnerable areas. Residents were urged to remain indoors and avoid non-essential travel.
¡Qué granizo!
Reports also emerged of minor damage to buildings and interruptions to transportation, including delayed flights and temporarily suspended ferry services as wind conditions worsened. Emergency teams moved quickly to clear roads, cut fallen trees, and assist affected residents. Storm Claudia has also impacted wider areas of the Iberian Peninsula, moving toward Portugal and triggering weather alerts in other Western European countries. Local authorities advised the public to remain vigilant over the next 24 to 48 hours. With the storm system still active, sudden downpours and strong winds may occur at any time. Residents were urged to follow AEMET updates closely and stay away from rivers and waterways that could overflow.
Está nublado.